Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Spotify account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Spotify account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address spotify.com and hit on enter. And after that, it'll be redirected to the home page of Spotify. So let's wait for it. And we're on the home page of Spotify. Now in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for us. Click on that login button, and over here guys, either you can log into your Spotify with your Google, Facebook or your Apple account, or your email address and password. If you want to go for automated login guys, click on either of these three buttons and login page to your Google, your Facebook or your Apple account will open. And if you sign into your respective accounts, you will also be logged into the Spotify platform with Google, Facebook or Apple accounts. And with that being said guys, for a manual login, enter your email address or your password with which you want to sign into your Spotify account, and after that enter your password over here. But guys, if you have forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says forgot your password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a page where you will be able to reset your Spotify account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address or your username and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Spotify account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.